So YouTube family, this is a little different video. I'm gonna be taking you on a little jackfruit journey. I don't know much people know about jackfruit. Daddy don't know one thing about jackfruit, but reasonable size jackfruit. You have some we call it humongous jackfruit, mampy jackfruit. This jackfruit is I don't know how good it is. I kind of look one little way on the outside. I would say this is a pretty jackfruit, but and it look like it overripe. So what I go do, let me knife the dad. Me should have made dad do it. I go take off the head part here, so yeah, I cut down in it for me to see. That's why I did. I said to me, say I'm not sure if then good. You know, jackfruit can be deceiving too. If it is good, it is an overripe jackfruit and it good. Good? Yeah. Jackfruit journey. Me in the kitchen because I go country yesterday family and I'm tired, so I sit down. Just did a video for the cooking channel, so I sit down. You see? So it's good, it's pretty good. So I have here some water. I'm gonna make some salt water. I was brought up not to eat jackfruit just like this. I was brought up to remove the fruit and to put it to pre-soak it in salt water to eat. And also I was prohibited from eating a certain amount. I was just allowed by my father especially, because him say it is a very dangerous fruit in your hospital. But these days, all me see people eat jackfruit and me never see nobody say it do them none. Because it's something that can't hurt your tummy, you know. So daddy always say, once you put it in some salt water, it can't do you anything. So I was brought up never to just cut a jackfruit and eat it. But you can't comment. But look here, and I show you too. This is the seed. So I'm gonna save the seeds. Somebody told me once, I put it in soup and it was good. So I used it in soup already, it's nice. So I have to go kind of scald it and get off the strip. I see then it looks so 100 still. So but here is a good seed, a really good seed of the jackfruit. These can grow and give you a jackfruit tree too. Right, but you have to kind of peel it off from outer here. So you see it? You have to make sure you take off this part. Yeah. So this is what we would save, wash them off, freeze them, and we are going to use them in a soup on this very channel. So comment, a lot of people know about this. Now, when it comes down to right here at the jackfruit, there is a certain level of stain when this jackfruit you carry. I am not sure what is the correct name for this part, but this is the part we carry the stain. I'm not so good at it, you know. First, I cut jackfruit for my own, you know. But I don't know if Dad can do it enough for me. So that's why I take it from him, because I don't know about jackfruit. This part here, it carries a lot of stain. So when we in our country as kids, we would have draw some green bush. But it of itself right here can clean the stain too when you cut it. But me I cut down the straight part. You see that stain, you see it? So you use it. But any green bush then dry. It not dry the one then with the courage, you know. So you use it and you clean and you take out this excess stain. You see the stain that it has? Its stain is sticky. So, well, then have meat too, you know, some little part. Some people love it that they not throw away none. Yeah, inside there is another. Anywhere there is a seed, there is a pulp. You see it? This is a seed. So there is a pulp right here, the fruit part of it that you can eat. Now, all me see the people in my town eat jackfruit, you see? Them eat it different from we. I'm going to show you what I see them eat. When we a country take out right here, we don't eat right here. I see all people on them right here, so. I see them doing it. I don't know how they do it. These parts too. We don't really eat this part, but I see some people eat it. Let me tell you too. When it can be eaten. When the jackfruit is not overripe, because it's part extra chewy. You can't even get it out. This part is extra chewy. So some people eat it, but we don't really eat it. And as I tell you, this jackfruit is overripe. You see it? You see the meat coming out? You see it? It's overripe. Overripe. So then when you do it like this now, you kind of pry it. That is how you can get out the fruit part. So this is the seed. There is a coating over the seed that you remove. And then you can wash this and you can put it in your soup. Some people stew it, like the vegan people. Yeah, but it is, let me tell you, the seed, that seed there is the nicest thing in your chicken soup. Really nice, you know. But comment and tell me your experience with jackfruit. tell me if you eat jackfruit. Tell me it is overripe. So you see the fruit part? You see it? But I don't like them when they overripe neither. It's just too soft. Come like banana. Yes, I'm not fool with it when. So, but you have fruit in here. So, but this one is overripe up on the top. This, so I'm gonna left that right there. So, yeah, let's get this part. Cause as me tell you, growing up in the country as a little girl, I was not allowed to have the knife or cut no jackfruit. And since I become a woman and come to town, I didn't even buy this thing. It was, I wanted to let camera girl see what it tastes like, cause she don't know it.
I've had jackfruit
Eh?
before.
Yeah. No, not this one. I said why I buy it. I was saying to them why I bought it is because they want you to see what it look like. I took out this piece, yeah? And you see the stain, this eye level stain. Some people use bush, but this of itself, the same part of itself, can clean it. Some people use bush. What do you use, family? What is best? When with that country, you just get piece of green bush. Piece of banana leaf or something, but you have to get rid of the stain first. Camera girl, here you see it overripe, camera girl. So of course it overripe, none of that me I tell you. When it overripe, some people love it when it overripe, you know, but me not really love it. So see one ear.
Ooh, see, come on.
Camera girl says she know if it clean jackfruit. So see one ear fam, it's overripe.
It's overripe.
Yeah, overripe. I put it in nice salt water, really overripe. Me did see it too. See it? Hard for deal when it overripe. I mean I try to tell them say this part here, I can't even get it out. But even though it overripe, if you put it in some ice water.
They should have cut down in that too.
Yeah.
What? But you never have to take out of this. Take out of this when me have.
Oh, yeah, someone will take it out.
Yeah, can't but you know if you clean jackfruit.
No, I would give me.
Yeah, but I'm not clean. We call it clean jackfruit.
Yeah, see it here. So you take it from the...
So show them when you take it out. Some people know about it, some people don't. Some people really don't know about this fruit. But this is a really overripe fruit we have. Where's the knife there? Where's the knife? Okay. When it's not overripe, family, when you take out the fruit part of it, it's firm.
It's supposed to be firm.
Yeah, that's why. You know, it overripe. We really should have this from yesterday.
Yeah.
If I see this man, I say get overnight. You should leave it outside. What? May I get the next one from him? When I'm not overripe, then taste good, man. I can put some ice in the water, and the ice will firm it up. So, Parry, family, if you get it and it's overripe like this, you can put some ice. We're gonna go get some ice and put in the water. The ice will firm up the fruit, the ice water. So we're gonna put it in a salty ice water. Stain for kill.
It really stings.
Make your hand touch here.
Where?
The top is up here.
When time with our country we hand touch anyway. And then parties some people eat. We're put to get some ice water and pick out as much as we can and come back to you.
So this is the like
a reasonable, not proper peg,
peg.
even though it's still overripe. Yeah. We have it in the ice water right here, so it'll get firm up. It'll take a little time still.
And here's another one.
Have you not salted ice water? As this thing, some people it can give you a real good tummy ache, you know. But some people say them not bother them. Yeah, me I cut down the other piece. It's camera girl say it messy, but I find it all that messy. But camera girl love it. Yeah, I know family. I know how to clean jackfruit, but I don't clean jackfruit. Jackfruit are not ours.
Not clean, as in like these.
To pick out the pegs.
That one finished.
Yeah, when you take it out now, you see when it's when it not. It's when it no.
Well,
It's when it not overripe and you go so. You see everything. What would I do though? Alright, I'll show them. Oh, when we there.
Where you used to get the stain off your hand?
Just like oil, some coconut oil. Do the oil with hand first, but my hand not staining. Look at my hand, it not staining. Alright, I'll show them this. So I cut the next piece here now. Taking you on a little jackfruit adventure. Some people love this thing, you know. So this is the part you need to take it out. We call it the art. I don't even know why it is called, because this is one your art big for art. If somebody tell us a yeah, big like jackfruit, I guess. In that? Yeah, alright, look in there. Them white something here, stain. So that go get guinea leaf. I'm not sure if I get the leaf for the right thing, you know.
But it's cleaning it.
Yes, you get the green leaf. See that?
Yeah.
And it clean it.
It is cleaning it.
Yeah. So Dad, you no, then sit here.
You know, so.
No man. Family
I could cut
comment.
it again now.
Dad is not no countryman. Me tell him. Me only half a year me tell him that. Take that piece there. Only half a year me tell Dad. He is not no countryman. Dad said no nothing about this.
Like
And-
soda.
Yeah, right. Do it again. Right. And when it turn, yo man, easy you get out the pieces then. But when it overripe, it's a little extra work.
Yeah, them pieces you're firm.
Yeah. Cause some part of it overripe, you know.
Definitely. Them pieces are definitely firm. See?
Oops. Cleaning out the stain, the green bush. Why? Real country, I should have country where they do this. Then they would have show me how to do it. But me know how to do it too. But as being the smaller one when I was growing up, I wasn't allowed to do this. So I'm just like the stupidest person to this. And you couldn't take this jackfruit indoors when we that country. It's like how you put it up over this last night. You must be crazy. Up until it pump where I put it. Yeah, see it here now, family. So one peg here. Yeah.
Put it in the
See how much seed we have there? Put in the salt and salt water. Salt water nice with it though, you know.
Salt water bring up the flavor.
Bring up the flavor in it. Yeah, work it though, Cobb. And you can
You move faster without the gloves.
for real. You're gonna have a good amount of seed, man, for putting a soup and stew. I think vegan people, the vegan
you blend
people.
the seed?
No, you
blend
cook
it.
it.
No, you cook it in soup, but the vegan people them use it make
Can use the meat as well and mix stuff.
stew jackfruit, but it can't ripe so.
That for be turn.
I don't know if I want to cook. Why? Not bro. Some people say I do this now, them out of jewel, you know, because some people love it, you know. Is it true it's a sweet fruit? It is considered to be an exotic fruit. Why?
Like how you do the cashew or peanut.
Yeah, the seed, I would guess so, but I think you have to go dry.
You have to dry it first. And then
Is it considered, it's considered an exotic fruit, don't Cobb?
Yeah, it's an exotic fruit.
Some people
But it's
love
not just
this.
Jamaica alone, jackfruit. Though.
No, jackfruit is all over the world, but I don't
They have
think they call
different
it
names for it. They
jackfruit.
have
Yeah,
different names
I
for it.
don't think they call it
Jesus.
jackfruit.
My dad did a job done, mommy.
Yeah, when it turn, man, the easy. You see the bits.
But me not have the mess over here, so that one you have
What?
part are good.
That's how you go, darling, because it overripe. Let's say if you daddy with some banana, I say me to that overripe. So, family, we are gonna try
And
and
you
get
do
those.
this, make
Yeah,
it so much easier.
never even bother turn that. See this here, so the seed come out. You don't see the beauty of it if it never overripe. But nevertheless, people love
It's not
it.
bad though.
you don't look bad anyway.
No, it's too soft.
Too soft.
Too soft, but I still eat it soft or firm. But when it's firm, it's better. See one here when not too bad, still overripe,
Yeah.
but it's not too bad. So you see it. This is real. I would have said it's kind of different. Sweet.
I get it with it.
Me I get already.
I eat it.
Yeah, me I eat all little piece. Me not eat no.
One seed upon it for one.
Yeah, we take it up and clean up when we're done. So comment and tell us what you think about jackfruit. What is your experience? Have you ever been exposed to jackfruit like this? Like how you see with the pan it. And some of them like a part in there. So some of them, but you know, some of these like a part can't eat, but not all. It kinda not so
Not for
soft
me.
like the But me I tell you, say it's sweet too. Them like a part here. Comment, Parry. When it turn, but you have to pluck it, but it kind of firm, but it's sweet. And we eat it as kids. See one here, it's a piece here, it's a piece here.
It's sweet.
It's sure. But you know being pitney, we just eat it. But for people know this man and I go comment, and it's cold bit I go overflow. We're gonna do the same with that piece now.
A bigger container.
We'll throw it in a bigger container. We'll get out all of this and then I'll come back and pick off the seed with you, wash it off and show you. And then you can tell us what you know about it. Tell me if you ever see it before, if you have ever eaten it. Do you like it? Do you not like it? And most of all, tell the family that this is almost the aftermath of it. These are the seeds. I'm picking them off and I'm gonna wash them. Okay, my girl, I finish pick out right there. So Yeah, so as I said to you, the meat is the jackfruit is overripe, so but I really have such an
You'd have
interest
less
in the
stain.
seeds.
You'd have less stain if you
Yeah, if it was turned, you would have less stain. When it becomes overripe, it's rather hard to handle. But comment and tell me, do you like this fruit? Have you ever had this fruit? Do you know how to prepare it for eating? Or you have to just wait till you buy it from the people them out the road, we pick out into the bag? Because these what we put in here are what they would pick out and put in the bags. But because they are overripe, so do you know anything about it outside of just buying it in the bag and the supermarket or from the fruits people? Do you know anything about it? Do you know, have any experience of like what we are doing here? Comment and tell us. I'm trying to get all these seeds out because I'm gonna wash every single slime off it and I'm gonna freeze it. And I might scald them, I'm not sure. Maybe I scald them and put them in the freezer in a bag. Because they freeze loose. So you always just take out the bag and take out some to the amount you want. I like it in soups. Tell me what you like the jackfruit seed in if you have ever had it. I like it. It's nice in the soup. It is very tasty. This part here. And we never know that when we're in our country. We just throw it away. And as I said before, this is how you get jackfruit. The seeds you can dry and sow them. But look here. Them take forever to come. So I don't know if them have a way now to get them. Because you know everything change. Yeah, but they take forever to come to bear a fruit. And you have some of them bear, alright. You remember the one we see up a country when we come down? We show them when we come down a Sand River.
Oh.
You never see the one up on the left hand side. Yeah, man, me show Uncle Murphy the other day, right to the root on the ground. Yeah. Yeah, I think we have one tree over the bush, but I think it did fall down.
Fall down.
Yeah, and we had one right next door a bush, but not again. Everything just changed up. Soil erosion and place broke and all them something. So I'm doing a pretty good job here with the seeds, and camera girl over there, so she has saka. So when we have all the seeds out, washed and everything, and we drain off that from out of the icy salted water, I will show you the end product. Okay, now YouTube fam, so this is my finished product. I told you it's overripe, so this is what it look like. I'm draining it. And see, it look like me have juice on at the bottom. It is juice, jackfruit juice. It has a little salt in there. So if it did firmer, yeah, I'm gonna use the salt water, the ice cold salt water. Get me have one jackfruit punch by the cooking time, I'm not quite remember. This is what we get back from the seed. This is the layer that came off the seed, so I'll take them out. And these are the seeds itself. Wash them. I am going to freeze them. When they freeze loosely, so you don't have no problem. You can just take out a handful or two if you want. So you don't have to section them up. This, I don't know. I don't know what you do with this. Here's another one right here. I don't know what you do with this, but some people, when they take them out, when they're not so ripe, them take out the part there and see them eat it too. Some people say them just take out and eat. But because some people don't understand, because it tastes nice, them just eat. So I hope you did enjoy, and if you did, remember to say something to us. Tell me what you know about jackfruit. If you're watching from another country and you have it and you call it something different and you use it for other stuff, share with us and explain to us. Remember to like the video. Remember to make sure you leave us a comment below. And I hope your mouth didn't chew. Some people won't. Nobody were pregnant will love jackfruit. Now watch it. You know, so I think I have a jackfruit punch, yes, on the cooking channel. I'm gonna search for it, link it up, and you can go. So I did this just because my girl love it. It keep refrigerated. It is nice when it's in the refrigerator, cool and nice. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support, and until we see you again. And this camera is gonna be what, Dad?
Jackfruit.
Ciao.
Jackfruit.